Want to upgrade your Cisco ISR 4330 into a streamlined rack-mounted powerhouse? Introducing the Cisco ACS 433 OACMED ZenRV precision-designed 19 rack-mount kit that gives your router the professional installation it deserves. This is the Cisco-certified remanufactured rack-mount kit, specifically engineered for the Cisco ISR 4330 series. Designed to fit standard 19-inch racks, it ensures secure and stable installation of your router with minimal fuss. This kit is Cisco Refresh equivalent ACS 4330 RM19 equals verified and remanufactured to OEM standards. You're getting genuine quality tested, reliable, and fully compatible with Cisco ISR 4330. ShopiLuxe guarantees remanufactured precision at a fraction of the price. This rack mount kit is ideal for network professionals and business setups. Network admins who rely on clean, structured rack environments, service providers or resellers configuring Cisco routers for clients in data centers or offices, home lab techs, and small IT teams aiming for tidy, ventilated setups. It helps streamline cable management, improve cooling airflow, and elevate the overall system aesthetics and reliability. Compatible model: Cisco ISR 4330 product type. 19-inch rack mount kit condition. Cisco-certified remanufactured OEM component weight. Approximately 0.41 kg. Dimensions: 17 niju × 27 centimetros, lightweight and easy to handle. Includes 2 metal mounting brackets and screws bundle for fast setup. This is a budget-friendly high-value kit if you're upgrading your Cisco router setup. Professional mounting hardware and tested condition offer enterprise-grade performance without the enterprise cost. Streamline your network. Deployment order: the Cisco ACS 4330 RM19 RF rack mount kit today from Shop. Clear, secure, and cost-effective hardware mounting solutions are just a click away.